Alrighty, here we go. So today, what are we doing, Anna?
Today we are putting in the truck headlights, but one is already done, as you can see.
Okay, that one's
Because
done.
I was eating lunch.
Yep, she was eating lunch. So we're placing these headlights on the truck today. They are not broken or anything, but they're a little faded, so it's hard to see in the video, but this whole top thing is faded. And you can see the new one is very nice indeed. So there's 3 bolts. They are Torx 30 T30s. One here, and one here under the light. So I'll show you on that side. But here's the new one for the left side. This is how they come. This is from eBay. These are, I think, $65 is what I paid for this set. And they look absolutely factory. Pretty much brand new. So the bottom one is right in here. You gotta put your socket in there. It'll look like this. Push down the plastic a little bit, and you're locked in. And then you've got 2 here, 1 here, and on this side you've got your external temperature sensor here. Be careful not to mess with that. You got one at the top, and then you've got this rubber grommet between the headlight and the hood. This screw up here has to come out. And that's pretty much it. The new headlights come with new rubber and new body clips for behind the headlight. All for $65. It's a pretty good deal. So here we go.
It's 65.
I'm pretty sure it's 65.
You just think it's 60.
Oh, I just think it's 65? Well, there you go. Maybe I was just corrected. I wouldn't doubt it. Trying to level the camera a bit. I don't know. You are correct. I don't know for sure.
And then it says it's 65.
65.
You just know.
They may be a little rusted depending on where you live. This one's also tricky to get out based on where it is. So if you have a decently strong magnet or a long pair of needle nose.
Needle nose? Does the nose have a needle in it?
The nose is of a needle shape. See how it's pointy? That's why it's a needle nose.
So the tool has a needle in its nose?
There you go. Just like that. We're going to set that guy there. And we'll move on to this side. And we'll take along with the oxygen sensor. Ambient temperature, air temperature. Put a little bit of WD-40 on these before we put them back in, so they're not as rough.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Do you usually do these videos only on the weekend?
Usually. When I have time for them. I have a whole bunch that I haven't posted yet, so. Okay. You can see they're a little corroded. It might be hard to see on that camera, but that's how it is here in Pennsylvania. Okay, so now very hot right now in Pennsylvania.
But it's not hot in the shade.
Not hot in the shade, that's true.
Yeah, because the camera is very hot.
This is just a plastic clip up here.
And also, it's not supposed to be hot in the fall.
Okay, let's see if this will how this one will come out. Might have to use a plastic pry tool. Get in here a little bit. Maybe. The other side was a little happier to come out.
What do you mean that it's happy to come out?
I mean the other side was a little happier. Oh, yeah. That one broke off.
You just broke something?
Yeah, I just broke it.
Or cut.
It's an alignment stud. It wasn't really all that important. There we go.
Cut.
Cut. Cut. Don't show the stuff he's breaking. Oh, there we go.
Cut.
Really, I promise the other side wasn't that bad.
Cut.
Okay. So now we've got this connector, which I'm going to slip this tool under these two ends of the clip and pop it off that clip. And then this side is another connector, and it has a little tab on either side of it. Super simple. If you've done
For your electric bill company.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay, the main headlight's off. And then this guy. Push it on either side. Out it comes. And then there's the old headlight. Okay.
The headlight looks kind of fogged up.
Now, amazingly, this kit came with the bulbs. New bulbs.
Wow.
I don't know how good they are, but here's what it is. We're going to try them. Because why not? Simple process to get this out. There is a left hand and a right hand to these headlights, which is clearly stamped on it, so should be alright.
Now for the brand finest.
Your electrical connection's back on. Alright. Line this up. Stuck in there. I try and leave the plastic on while I'm doing this. Why not? Why not? Ooh. We got lucky. Okay. Yeah. Don't forget that. It's right about there. Now there. But it's pretty close. Don't forget to finish tightening this guy. Get him on. Okay, that's good. On that. Quite enough. Alright, let's close the hood and see how it looks. Pop this guy in first. So, put the screw in there. Okay, should be good. That is way better. I mean, not bad for 65 bucks. Comparison. How the old side looks there to the new. So yeah, that's it. And I wanted to make a video, so I figured that would be a quick way to make one. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.